Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check your Wi-Fi connection with Lenovo Robot Vacuum Cleaner E1. To do this, first we'll need to click on this pen button in the top right corner of our screen, then scroll all the way down and you should see Check Device Network. Click on it and then wait a few moments as it will check your connection. And as you can see, in this case, I have poor network connection. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.